have 20 minutes to get ready to go to a Vineyard. Let's get dressed. The weather is saying it's going to be 82 degrees. So I think I'm going to wear, I think I'll just wear a button down and roll the sleeves up with a pair of flares. Maybe if I put this first button on, it won't keep slipping. Okay, this is the part where I have to remind myself that perfection is an illusion, because I don't have time for this. So since I'm just gonna keep my hair like it is, I'm going to get all the edge control out of the edges, just wash the edges real quick. My lazy morning skincare routine is really just hyaluronic acid serum after I wash my face. And then I will mix that with my sunscreen and moisturizer. 1.5 pumps of that. And then I just work this into my skin really well and put the rest on the back of my hands. The only other thing I'm going to do is add brows, and I use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Micro Pencil. The color is deep brown. Or after. Okay, I lied. I'm also going to do a little bit of concealer. Has anybody tried this Beauty Bakery concealer, and do you like it? This is the Insta Bake. I've tried it. I'm not really a fan of it though, but maybe it's me. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Every time I put on concealer, then I feel like I need mascara too. This is from Walmart. Just gonna add a little bit of leave-in. So I decided I should put a crop top under my shirt just to have some extra, another pop of color, and also like in case I want to open my shirt up if I get hot, or if I want to take it off and put a jacket on or whatever. Options. I'm just gonna roll the sleeves of my shirt up. So from here, could tie this, could tuck it like this, could just let it hang open, put a purse on, and then just let the purse kind of cover this little bit of skin right here. I actually like that there's like a little bit, just a little bit of skin showing, you know? Not anything crazy. I think I'm gonna wear these. I haven't worn these yet, so I wanna wear them out. I like the gray, sage green, like that neutral kind of vibe. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear these. Take down the scarf. never fails. And for my fragrance, I'm going to actually just pick this up the other day from Bath and Body Works. It's the whipped coconut milkshake. Smells so good. I'm gonna mix it with the Good Chemistry Coffee Cloud. Bomb. Like, oh, it smells so good. I wish y'all could smell this. Ugh. It smells so good. But another one that smells good with Coffee Cloud is this Cocoa Blush, which is also from Good Chemistry. Sold at Target. All right, so here's the final outfit. Since we're going to be on a tour at the Vineyard, I didn't want to do sandals. Plus, I need a pedicure, but I didn't want to do sandals. So that's why I'm wearing tennis shoes. So this is the look. Let me know what you think. So then we went to Philip Carter Winery in Hume, Virginia. And it was amazing. It was so beautiful. The grounds were really nice, as you would expect from a vineyard. They had a ton of grapevines, and you could walk through it. Perfect opportunity for a photo op. And in addition to wine, they also sold candles, honey, candy that was like wine infused. So there's a red wine reduction inside the chocolates. Oh my gosh. So we were actually here for a tour, tasting, and picnic. The tour was actually very informative. We learned a lot about the winemaking process and about just like general knowledge about wine and fun facts that our tour guide just happened to know. So we saw the vineyards. We also saw where they press the wine, and then finally the cellars. Then it was time for the actual tasting, and we were able to taste 10 wines in this tasting. So we had 4 reds, 4 whites to include this rosé, a dessert wine, and a port. They provided crackers as a palate cleanser, and we also got to try the wine-infused chocolates. Then we grabbed our picnic basket, which came with these wine glasses that we were able to keep. We had a summer sausage. We were able to choose our own cheese, and then we had crackers to go with it. They provided the board. Because of all the sampling, my husband was tipsy and could not stop laughing. Why are you laughing? We enjoyed our little picnic on the deck, which did come with ceiling fans, although we didn't need it because it was a really breezy day. My husband ended up buying a bottle of the port to take home. It was the 1762, and this was a successful trip.